Good afternoon. This is call number 2020-34658 in the interest of Anthony Metivier and Brianna Metivier. All parties and witnesses, please raise your right hands to be sworn. Do you solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God? Ms. Smith, are you a party to this suit?
Yes, sir.
All right. All parties and witnesses, please raise your right hand. You solemnly swear to
Yes.
tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes.
All right, ma'am. Please state your name and your relationship to the children.
My name is Crystal Smith, and I'm their mother.
All right. And representing the Attorney General, State of Texas.
Kavita Sharma.
Court will note that the non-custodial parent is Anthony Terrell Metivier. Mr. Metivier was personally served on April 8, 2022 at 12:25 p.m. at 701 North San Jacinto Street in Houston, Harris County, Texas. And he has not appeared or filed an answer. Is that correct, Ms. Sharma?
That is correct, Your Honor.
We'll proceed by default.
Yes, Judge. I would like to call the mother, Ms. Crystal Smith.
Okay.
Ms. Smith, you have 2 children that are subject of this suit, correct?
Yes.
And how old are your children?
Soon to be 5 and 3 years old.
Thank you. And who is the father of these children?
Anthony Metivier.
And how do you know he's the father?
He signed both birth certificates.
Is there any possibility that anyone else could be their father?
No.
And Mr. Metivier is not here today, correct?
No.
Where is he currently?
I guess he's still in jail.
Okay. And are you asking the court to name Mr. Metivier as the father of these 2 children?
Yes.
And are you asking the court to appoint you as the managing conservator and Mr. Metivier as the possessory conservator of the children?
Yes.
And this is because he is in jail, correct?
Yes.
And he is in jail for an assault case along with 2 other cases that was filed in December of 2019 for assaulting you, correct?
Yes.
And when he assaulted you in December of 2019, your youngest child was approximately 5 months old?
Yes.
Are you asking the court to allow Mr. Metivier to visit with the children through the domestic relations office because that is the only option to protect your safety?
Yes.
And are you asking the court to acknowledge that there is a history of domestic violence between you and Mr. Metivier?
Yes.
And you understand that because he's currently incarcerated, there will be no child support or medical support set on this case, correct?
Yes.
And how are the children covered under health insurance?
Medicaid.
And are you asking the court to allow you to continue that health insurance?
Yes.
And do you agree to pay half of any uncovered costs?
Yes.
Are you asking for any back support?
No.
And are you asking court costs to be billed to Mr. Metivier?
Yes.
And are you asking the court to keep your address confidential? Because if Mr. Metivier knows where you live, it could cause you continued harassment, injury, or abuse.
Yes.
Have you read this order and signed it today?
Yes.
Are you asking the judge to approve this order?
Yes.
Thank you, Judge. I pass this witness.
All right, the court will approve the